Hey there, fellow marketers and business owners. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down tech tasks into simple, actionable steps. Today, we're tackling something super useful: exporting your contact list from ActiveCampaign to a Google Spreadsheet. This is perfect for 2025, as we're using the latest features to make your data management smoother and more efficient. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by your contacts in ActiveCampaign and wanted an easy way to analyze or share them in Google Sheets, this tutorial is for you. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you're logged into your ActiveCampaign account. Once you're in, head over to the Contacts tab in the main dashboard. This is where all your valuable leads and customer data are stored. Now, select the specific list or contacts you want to export. You can do this by checking the boxes next to the contacts or choosing an entire list from the drop-down menu. Next, look for the Export button, usually found at the top of the page. Click on it, and you'll see options for the file format. Go with CSV for the best compatibility with Google Sheets. Customize your export if needed, like selecting specific fields such as name, email, or phone number to keep your file clean and relevant. Hit Export and download the file to your computer. This should only take a few seconds. Now, switch over to Google Sheets. Open a new spreadsheet or an existing one where you want to import the data. Go to File, greater than, Import, greater than, Upload, and select the CSV file you just downloaded. Google Sheets will prompt you to choose how to import the data. Opt for Create New Spreadsheet and make sure to select the correct delimiter if asked. Once imported, you'll see your contacts neatly organized in rows and columns. Take a moment to review and format as needed, like adding filters or formulas for deeper analysis. And just like that, you've successfully exported your contacts. This process is a game changer for reporting, backups, or even migrating data. Pro tip: always double check for any duplicates or errors after importing. If you run into any issues, ActiveCampaign's help section is a great resource. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button if this helped, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. See you in the next video.